Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Pratap Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code Caddy. So basically in this video we are going to understand what are the rules has been updated by ESLint. Okay, so let's move. So we had already discussion about this migration, so we can skip this point. So here you can see I'm having this Node.js smaller than v18.18 and v19 are no longer supported by ESLint 9. Okay, so if you are going to migrate, so just do R&D. So what version you are using? Okay, and if you are going to understand the second point, then you can like previously we can add the ESLint in our package.json. Like here you can see I've added this ESLint inside my package.json, so that works. Okay, and I can also configure the ESLint inside this ESLint rc.cjs file, so both works. Okay, but right now they are saying they can have support in this eslint.config.js. Like here if I show you, I'm having this flat array of the objects and the plugins. Okay, so let's close this. So now then we are having this rule. They have removed support for multiple formatters actually. So they are saying that just add prettier, like using dot prettier rc. Okay, instead of adding inside the ESLint file. Okay, that works still, but to not having those conflicts. Okay, let's come to this fourth point. So here they are having these two rules, they are removed. Okay, so if I'll show you here, that works. So you can see here. Okay, just close this panel first. Okay, you can see here I'm having these two rules. Okay, if I'll run npm run lint like this. Okay, so this will run my linting. Okay, so you can see I got the errors without any error related to this require js and valid js talk. Okay, if I'll add these two rules inside my new ESLint. Okay, so if I'll open this, if I'll open this file, let's close this, and if I'll open it and paste it here. Okay, and if I'll run ls move npm run print like this, so you can see here I'm having error related to these rules. I couldn't find, you can say. So that's why these we can say we cannot use these tools inside ESLint 9. Okay, so let's move to other point. So what they are saying, like you have already seen that ESLint recommended. So here if I'll show you the way we are extending the plugins, that is like this. Okay, and right now what they are doing, like you have to import at the first line, then what have to do, then we have to add it like this. You can see, so actually these both the rules are same what I'm doing here right now. So this is the way right now we have to do, like this line, the second line you can see, and this 40th line you can see. So this is the way, newer way we can use. Okay, now we are having this hyphen. Okay, one more thing I want to add on, like you can see here, this is the part that is spreading. Okay, and this part it's not spreading. So why? So actually this is an array and this is object, so they are expecting object inside this array, not another array. So okay, so make sure what you are using, that's an array or an object. Okay, then okay, let's move to another point. You can see we had this hyphen fn quit. So what does it do? Like previously, if you have two rules, like for example you are having two rules that say one and another say error, so it will process both the rules and the output won't get these warnings. Okay, but right now if you are using and they found any rules having one and error, okay, so they won't process the one rules. Okay, so they mainly going to focus on only the errors if you are going to use hyphen fn quit. Okay, and then we are having this multiple ESLint. Okay, I'll show you one example. So what does it mean? So if you can see here, I'm having this file, I'm having this two places where I'm using console, and for one I'm using a different rule that is one, and for another line I'm using this error as a rule. Okay, so what they are saying that rule no console is already configured by another configuration. If you have already configured, then don't do this for two different places. Okay, so they are saying this. So let's back to documentation again. So yeah, here you can see I'm having this new rule, no implicit coercion. So what does it mean? Like if I'm having this a string plus 1 to 3, so that is going to be convert to a string, we know, but they are saying don't do this. Okay, if you want to add, then what you can do, you can add it like this. Okay, instead of uh, adding the string at first. Okay, let's back to, if I'll come back to the older version, I can still do this without any error. Okay, now I'm having this documentation again. So yeah, last one, if I'll come here, so you can, in the older version I'm having the same rules. Okay, if I'm having this try catch type of thing, okay, and I'm having this error, if I'm adding underscore, and you can see I'm not getting any error. Okay, but right now you'll still get an error. I'm having this line here itself, but still I'm getting this error. So what they are saying, if any variable is not being used, so it will throw error. You have to remove this. Okay, so that's the thing. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you like, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel.